seen work better is coming, like, basically launching through a Facebook campaign when a product is brand new on Amazon, kind of similar to a Shopify site. Like when you have a new website or something else, you're not going to get very much traffic. So what we do is we basically launch a Facebook campaign, bring traffic in there, and rank for these particular search terms by increasing that conversion rate for a particular search term. That way we get that sales velocity up. And
Sure.
then PPC starts to pick up a lot quicker once we start increasing our rankings, increasing that sales velocity. So it's kind of just training Amazon saying, hey, this product will work, essentially. Because when you launch a new product, Amazon has no sales data to work with. And so it's really important to bring in some email lists, bring in some Facebook ad traffic or some type of external traffic to make that process go a little bit faster. Yes, you can do it 100% PPC, but usually clients don't like to wait that long. They
For
usually
sure.
just bring in some external traffic. That way we rank for a particular search term, increase the sales velocity, and then PPC goes fantastic after that. Is usually the method we do it with.
Yeah, and if you have that external targeted audience, like that is a great way to go to, again, build up that initial sales history, those initial
Yeah.
reviews. That's key.